teacher Shelby here with a very important verb today. The verb to be. To be en español es ser y estar. Dos verbos en español, pero solo un verbo en inglés. To be. Now, there are three forms, hay tres formas for the verb to be. Am, is, are. Ready? Number one, am. I am. Es como yo soy o yo estoy. I am. I am. Number two, is. He is. Él es o él está. He is. He is. She is. Ella es o ella está. She is. She is. It is. It we use for one thing. Usamos la palabra it para una cosa, like a pencil. Un lápiz. El lápiz. It is a pencil. It is. It is. Number three, are. You are. Tú eres, tú estás. O usted es, usted está. You are. O you can be singular or plural. You puede ser singular o plural. Ustedes son o ustedes están. You are. You are. We are. Nosotros somos. Nosotros estamos. We are. We are. They are. Ellos son. Ellos están. They are. They are. Now, in English, we use a lot of contractions, contracciones. Hay muchas. I am, I'm. Es más informal. I'm. He is, él, he is, he's. She is, ella, she. She is, she's. It is. Una cosa. It is. It's. You are. Tú, usted, ustedes. You are. Your. We are. Nosotros. We are. We're. They are. Ellos. They are. Their. Contractions. I'm sorry. Okay, let's practice a few questions and answers, okay, with the verb to be. Preguntas? ¿Sí? What's your name? What's your name? What is, el verbo, is your name? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? I am Shelby. Or I'm Shelby. Soy Shelby. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are, el verbo, where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I am from the US. Or I'm from the US. What do you do? What do you do? ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do? I'm a teacher. Soy profe, soy maestra. I'm a teacher. El verbo, are you hungry? ¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you tired? Are you tired? ¿Estás cansada? ¿Cansado? Are you tired? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you learning the verb to be? Are you learning the verb to be? ¿Estás aprendiendo el verbo to be? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, bien. That's everything for today. Eso es todo por hoy. This is a verb very irregular. Este es un verbo irregular, pero we use it all the time. Lo usamos todo el tiempo en inglés. I hope this helps. Espero que te sirva de ayuda. I hope this helps you. And I'll see you later. Bye.